with the challenge, which is essentially behaviour change and behaviour change in the kitchen, which is obviously, it's a tough thing, but also I think you may be aware that somewhere between 50 and 70% of food waste in the UK is in the home. So it is actually, it's the biggest opportunity, but also the biggest challenge, because it is consumer behaviour change. So recently we just brought on a new member of the team, Letitia, who comes with a master's in psychology and has been doing a lot of work around behaviour change. So we've just bolstered the team with her joining. And like I said, we are talking to governments and excellent charities like WRAP around how we can work with them on influencing behaviour change. But I think from what I would say as far as technology and behaviour change, if you look at other industries, for example, fitness or wellness, you've got apps like Headspace who are doing phenomenally well in mindfulness, a plethora of fitness apps that are helping to influence change, behaviour change, in that sector. And I think apps are the way to do this, because there were some positive stats around home food waste during lockdown in the UK, and it was reducing as people focused more on eating at home and cost saving, and going to the supermarket less, of course. That was great, absolutely fantastic news. But unfortunately, and WRAP, the government charity, announced it, that as soon as lockdown ended, home food waste started to increase again. I think it was around 30%. So clearly, even a 3-month lockdown was not long enough to create behaviour change for home food waste. So what we have in the app is these various sort of nudges and tools to have more of an ongoing sustained intervention. And what we'd love to do, as next step, technologically in the app, is get some gamification features going and rewards for interacting with the app, and well done, Alex, this week you wasted less food than last week, get a gold spoon or whatever we'll do. So that kind of functionality is next, is something we'd love to do in the very near future. So because then our app not only has sort of, I guess, a stick saying, this is how much money and food you've wasted, but also this carrot, this sort of reward saying, well done, you're getting better and interacting. So we're constantly focusing on how we can hone the app for consumer behaviour change.